Most exterior cleaning business owners think a CRM is just a digital contact list. That's a big mistake. Because in 2026, the companies that grow fastest are the ones that turn their CRM into a full job management system. Here's the truth no one tells you. In exterior cleaning, speed and follow-up win more jobs than pricing. If you reply first, book faster, and follow up automatically, you beat competitors even if they are cheaper. In this video, you will learn what actually makes the best CRM for exterior cleaning businesses, what features matter most, and how to choose a system that helps you book more jobs without working more hours. Let's start with the real problem. Most exterior cleaning companies handle everything manually. Leads come from Facebook ads, Google calls, or referrals. Then someone writes them down, or forgets them entirely. Estimates get delayed. And by the time you respond, the customer has already hired someone else. Now here's where it gets interesting. The right CRM fixes this by turning your business into an automated pipeline. First, you need instant lead capture. When a customer like John requests a pressure washing quote, the CRM should automatically store that lead, assign it, and trigger a response within seconds. No manual entry. No delays. Second, quoting speed is everything. Exterior cleaning jobs are often simple but competitive. Your CRM should let you send quotes on the spot. If Alex is out on a job site, he should be able to take a photo, generate an estimate, and send it before leaving the driveway. But here's the problem most owners miss. Winning leads is not enough. You also need consistency and scheduling. Your CRM should handle job scheduling and crew assignment automatically. Think of it like this. Instead of calling your team every morning, the system tells each cleaner where to go, what equipment to bring, and how long the job should take. Now, let's talk about the silent profit killer. Missed follow-ups. Most exterior cleaning companies lose 30 to 50% of potential jobs because they never follow up after sending a quote. A strong CRM fixes this with automated reminders, text follow-ups, and email sequences. That means even if a customer does not book today, they are still being contacted tomorrow and next week without you lifting a finger. In a minute, I'll show you the features that separate average CRMs from the ones that actually help you scale past 6 figures. First is mobile usability. Your team is always outside. If your CRM is not mobile friendly, it will slow everything down. Second is automation. Quotes, follow-ups, and reminders should run without you thinking about them. Third is integration. Your CRM should connect with Google Maps, invoicing tools, and messaging apps so everything flows together. Finally, reporting. You need to know which ads bring customers, which jobs are most profitable, and where leads are dropping off. So here's the bottom line. The best CRM for exterior cleaning businesses in 2026 is not about storing contacts. It is about speed, automation, and control over your entire workflow. If you set it up correctly, you will respond faster, book more jobs, and stop losing leads you already paid for. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment about your current setup, and subscribe for more business growth strategies like this.